हेलो सत श्री अकाल, मैं पंजाब से हूं और आज जो भारत सरकार ने बोडोलैंड के पक्ष में जो फैसला लिया है मैं उससे बहुत खुश हूं।
Hello guys, this is Amit Kumar Digal from Odisha, and today as our Bodo friends they are celebrating as they have already given the opportunity of freedom of many things that I have lots of friends from Bodoland. That's why I am also happy to support them and really appreciate the government that he has issued them some of the powers. Thank you.